The night sky has fascinated humans for millennia, with stars forming patterns that have inspired myths, navigation systems, and scientific inquiry. These patterns, known as constellations, are classified into several types based on their positions and visibility in the sky throughout the year. Here's a breakdown of the different types of constellations. 1. Circumpolar constellations. Circumpolar constellations are star patterns that appear to circle the celestial poles, the north or south poles of the sky, and never dip below the horizon, making them visible year-round from certain latitudes. Ursa Major, the Great Bear, known for the Big Dipper asterism, it revolves around the North Star, Polaris. Cassiopeia, the Queen, this W-shaped constellation also rotates around Polaris and remains visible throughout the year. Ursa Minor, the Little Bear, Ursa Minor contains the North Star, making it a crucial constellation for navigation. Circumpolar constellations are seen moving in a circle around Polaris because of the Earth's rotation. Unlike other constellations that rise and set, these constellations remain above the horizon at all times for viewers in the Northern Hemisphere. 2. Zodiac constellations. The zodiac constellations are a group of 12 star patterns that lie along the ecliptic, which is the apparent path of the Sun across the sky throughout the year. These constellations are integral to astrology and have been historically associated with the zodiac signs. The zodiac constellations are Aries, the Ram; Taurus, the Bull; Gemini, the Twins; Cancer, the Crab; Leo, the Lion; Virgo, the Maiden; Libra, the Scales; Scorpio, the Scorpion; Sagittarius, the Archer; Capricornus, the Sea Goat; Aquarius, the Water Bearer; Pisces, the Fish. Explanation: as the Earth orbits the Sun, different zodiac constellations become visible during different months. For example, Leo is most prominent in the summer, while Sagittarius is visible in the winter. These constellations have significant cultural and historical importance, particularly in astrology, where they correspond to the zodiac signs used to predict personality traits and future events. 3. Seasonal constellations. Definition: seasonal constellations are groups of stars that are only visible at specific times of the year due to Earth's position in its orbit around the Sun. Examples: winter. In the Northern Hemisphere, Orion is one of the most famous winter constellations, with its distinct belt of 3 stars. Spring. Leo is a prominent spring constellation, easily recognized by its sickle-shaped asterism. Summer. Scorpius dominates the summer sky with its curved tail and bright star, Antares. Autumn. Pegasus, known for its large square, is easily seen in the autumn months. Explanation: as Earth revolves around the Sun, different sections of the sky become visible at night. Seasonal constellations rise and set at specific times of the year, providing a celestial calendar for skywatchers. 4. Asterisms. Definition: an asterism is a recognizable pattern or shape of stars that is part of a larger constellation, or a combination of stars from multiple constellations, but does not have the official status of a constellation. The Big Dipper, part of Ursa Major but often recognized as its own shape. The Summer Triangle, composed of 3 stars from different constellations: Vega, Lyra, Deneb, Cygnus, and Altair, Aquila. The Teapot, found within the constellation Sagittarius. Asterisms are some of the most recognizable features in the sky due to their simple shapes. While they aren't official constellations, they are often more familiar to casual stargazers because they are easy to spot. 5. Constellations of different cultures. Definition: various cultures around the world have developed their own star patterns and constellations based on mythology, folklore, and navigation needs. Examples: Chinese constellations. Chinese astronomy divides the sky into 28 lunar mansions, with constellations like the Azure Dragon and the White Tiger representing directions and seasons. Indigenous Australian constellations. The emu in the sky is an example of a dark constellation, where the shape is formed by the dark patches in the Milky Way rather than the stars themselves. Incan constellations. The Incas also had dark cloud constellations, such as Yucana, the llama, formed by the dark nebulae within the Milky Way. Different cultures have unique ways of interpreting the stars, and these constellations often reflect important stories, spiritual beliefs, or practical needs like navigation and timekeeping. Thank you for watching.